So today we're gonna learn how to reset Roomba 560, but it's also applicable to all 500 series IRobot Roomba. First of all, you need to turn on the robot. Then you need to press and hold the spot key and the dock key together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now you see the clean button is off and the robot sounds beeping noise like you enter a new battery. That's it, your Roomba is reset. Okay, first of all, I made sure my Roomba is fully charged and with a good battery that worked on another robot. The problem is when I press the clean button, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't move, it doesn't spin the brush. And when I try to charge it and press the clean button, so it goes up to a clean, and it gives me another error. Now it's finished charging. Then I press the cleaning button, it beeps. Okay, today we're gonna learn how to test the Roomba 500 series at the Auto Advanced test. All you need to do is press the clean and dock button and push on the spot 3 times. Now it's on Auto Advanced self-test. You can see that all the LED at the display is turned on. Also the clean button illuminates. We did this, we advanced in the test by pressing firstly on the clean button after the lead check, and then completing the day, hour, minute, schedule and clock buttons test. And when I finish, I advance to the next phase on the test, which is actually the cliff sensor tests. If we elevate, take the robot off the floor from the right side and the dock is turned on, and when I take left side, the spot turns on. To exit the auto advance testing mode, we need to press and hold dock and spot buttons for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. The robot is reset and you can just activate it normally. Okay, today we're going to learn how to replace the side brush module on a Roomba 500 series. It's also applicable to the 600 and the 700 series. First of all, we're going to take the robot on his back. Don't forget to put something so it won't hurt the IR wall sensor. We're going to take a Phillips screwdriver and release the screw that holds the side brush to the robot. After it, we take one finger and close so the screw won't release from the robot, and we're holding the brush and pulling it out of its place. When we want to insert the brush to the robot, we're just gonna place it. It has certain angle. You need to place it. It's not circular. So you're gonna adjust the brush to its place and just squeeze it. Then you're going to close the screw. And that's it. Your side brush is okay. Today we're going to learn how to test the Roomba 500 series at the Auto Advance test. All you need to do is press the clean and dock button and push on the spot 3 times. Now it's on Auto Advance self-test. You can see that all the LED at the display is turned on. Also the clean button illuminates. To exit the Auto Advance testing mode, we need to press and hold dock and spot buttons for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. that's it. The robot is reset and you can just activate it normally. Today we're gonna learn how to replace Roomba left or right side wheel module. Actually, this Roomba is partially apart, but it doesn't matter. It has all the parts needed to make the replacement on a normal Roomba, which is assembled. You take the Roomba on its back. Of course, don't forget to protect the IR wall sensor, which is supposed to be located right down here. So I take some towel or a sponge, place it underneath the robot. Now we are gonna open the bottom faceplate. Those 4 Phillips screws gonna open. Gonna take the bottom faceplate from the robot, and now we're gonna see the right and left wheel modules. When we want to take them out, just the right module, we take this screw out, one, this one is the second, and I release it, and the third is right over here, if you can see it. I'm gonna take them out. And if you feel some difficulty, it's maybe because of the part of the screws are not dismantled all the way. And that's it. That's Roomba's right and left wheel module disassembly. And when you get the new part, just squeeze it in, this way, and close the 3 screws. One, two, and the third one on the back, and on the left wheel the 3 screws are right over here, 1, 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to learn how to replace a battery on the 600 and 700 series IRobot Roomba. First of all, you're going to take the robot on his back. Make sure you're putting something behind the IR wall sensor here, so it won't crack. First of all, you need a Phillips screwdriver and you're gonna release the side brush module. Put your finger on the screw so it won't take off. Now we're gonna release those 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, to release the bottom faceplate. No special order, just release them. Now we're going to check that we released all the screws, and if we are done, the faceplate will come off. The screw is still on. That's it, just side by side until it comes off. Actually, the screws are not supposed to pull out of the faceplate. Well, I'm gonna turn it on its back and you can see all the screws remain. Now the battery is this yellow module. It may take different colors if you have a replaceable battery, and you're gonna just take those small side by side and can release the battery. This is the battery, and the noises you heard is because the battery coming on and off the robot. And that's it. You can place the new battery. Just keep in mind it has a certain direction. This thing should go into this hole, so you can't put it the other way around. Make sure those things are in these places. That's it. You will hear the robot clicking of course, because it has a new battery. I'm going to place the back faceplate, close all the Phillips screws. Make sure you are not tightening one of the screws before the other. Just mount them and then tighten them. And that's it. Now we need to place the side brush again. Just squeeze it to its place and close the Phillips screw. And now we are done. It's a new battery. So what to do if your side brush doesn't rotate? You can try and replace the side brush motor assembly. I'm gonna just take this screw of the side brush out, remove the side brush, I'm gonna take the bottom faceplate out by removing the 4 screws. This is the side brush module, and it has 3 screws. 1, 2, 'Forgive me, just 2 screws, 1 of each side. That's it. The module is in your hands, and when you want to insert the new module, just place it inside, close the screws, and put the bottom faceplate down, close the 4 screws of the bottom faceplate, and then place the side brush on the robot and close the screw. That's it. Okay, today we're gonna learn how to test the Roomba 500 series at the Auto Advanced test. All you need to do is press the clean and dock button and push on the spot 3 times. Now it's on Auto Advanced self-test. You can see that all the LED at the display is turned on. Also the clean button illuminates. Now we're on Auto Advanced mode, and we have finished with the LED display tests. Now we can go on to the first test. We check all the buttons, day, hour, minute, schedule and clock. And now we are on the first test of the sensors. Now you can test the left and right bumper sensors. We did this, we advanced in the test by pressing firstly on the clean button after the LED check, and then completing the day, hour, minute, schedule and clock buttons test. And now you can see when I press the left bumper, the spot light turns on, and when I press the right bumper side, the dock light turns on. To exit the Auto Advanced testing mode, we need to press and hold dock and spot buttons for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. The robot is reset, and you can just activate it normally. Today we're gonna learn how to replace the Roomba front faceplate, which is actually this surface, and the Roomba goes under furniture. It might make some scratches on the faceplate. So we want to make it look like new. Want to place the faceplate. Actually, it's very easy. Just some clips around the faceplate, and we got the handle that interferes with the faceplate, so we can just start at the rear side where the garbage can connects with the robot. So we remove the garbage can and we start here. Take those two sides up. You hear the clicking noise when the faceplate disconnects from the robot. We can use a screwdriver so that the parts that were released would remain released. Now I'm gonna start on the handle side with two hands and release it. It takes some patience to release all the sides. Now it's almost released. We're gonna take the handle up. We're gonna remove the faceplate to the rear side, and that's it. Faceplate is removed. When we want to insert the new faceplate, we're gonna do it like that. I'm gonna take the handle to the upper side and just squeeze it in. Make sure the faceplate is in the right angle and press all the way around. And that's it.